The Antique Theatre is situated right above Samuel's Fortress, close to the upper gate. It was built by the end of the 3rd or at the beginning of the 2nd century BC for dramatic, musical, and poetic performances and had about 4,000 seats. Right after the Roman conquest of this region in 148 BC, the theater was readapted into an arena for gladiator fights and fights with wild beasts. Because of this, several of the lower rows of seats were destroyed and replaced with several cages for the animals, and the orchestra with the honorary seats was enclosed with a protecting wall. It is considered that towards the end of the 3rd or in the beginning of the 4th century AD, when Christianity has arrived in Ohrid, all the pagan buildings in the city had been destroyed. Most likely the theater had also been destroyed and the material from its seats was later used for construction of early Christian basilicas and other sacral buildings. After it was completely uncovered and operational, plays, musical performances, and other events started taking place again after 20 centuries in the open, reconstructed scene of the Antique Theatre.